His name is Gabriel Nelson, born in the city. Gini Bahagi left for the village in search of his father's house.
Get down to the go, sir. Go here. What is the problem, sir? I'm looking for my father's house here in the village. No, my book, you. I don't want to do that fun. I don't want to work and work.
Search became a journey of life and death. He was thoroughly beaten. He was taken as a stranger in his village.
Why are you putting me like this now? What are you doing this now? What I do?
He has a different name.
I'm looking for my father's house.
Gini Bahagi. He was carried to be slaughtered. He violated the rules of the village. The annual festival of initiation. Tortured to the last. He was tortured to the last.
You can imagine I'm a stranger if I'm a slave in my own community. I am being treated as a slave in my own community. Oh, daddy, have you seen what you've cost me? Come on and time me, oh.
Masquerades move around the village. Masquerades move around the village. Gini Bahagi. The show of power in Igbo land. The show of power in Igbo land. Obidike, the great wrestler. Obidike, the great wrestler. Gini Bahagi. Coming